Flexibility is not common to many investments. With real estate investing, it is one of the major benefits. Flexibility in real estate is most optimized by the fact that you can choose to be active or passive. Active real estate is when an investor gives full-time commitment to an income property investment. A passive real estate investing, on the other hand, is when an investor isn't involved in the day-to-day operation of the property. Passive real estate investing usually places all of the management duties in the hands of a professional property manager. Having this choice is a major reason why income properties is a good investment for 2020. Tomorrow, rental property types and strategies.